Okay, let's go ahead and start your 4-7 worksheet 1. 4-7 worksheet 1 is to find the discriminant and tell the type of roots that you are going to have. So let's go ahead. This is already solved for x. There's set equal to 0. So since it's set equal to 0, a is going to be 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 22. Okay? Now, with that being said, use b squared minus 4ac. Sorry, I wanted to grab the worksheet, make sure I had the directions correct. So it says to evaluate the value of the determinant and determine the number of solutions. So b squared minus 4 times a times c. b is going to be 10 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 22. 10 squared is 100. There's only one negative, so it's negative. 4 times 1 is 4, times 22 is 88. So this is going to give me a 12 as my discriminant value. Now, I need you to compare 12 to 0. If you compare 12 to 0, 12 is greater than that, so I'm going to have two real solutions. So if I have two real solutions, I need to take the square root of 12. The square root of 12 is going to be 4 times 3, which means this is not a perfect square. So since it is not perfect, you are going to have two irrational solutions. Next, number 4. Set this thing equal to 0. It already is. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 8. So b squared minus 4 times a times c. So that's 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times an 8. 5 squared is 25. Oh, there's only one negative. 4 times 1 is 4, times 8 is 32. This gives me negative 7. That is my value for my discriminant. Now, you are going to then compare and contrast negative 7 to 0. It is less than it, so I'm going to have two imaginary roots. Two imaginary roots. The last one I'm going to do, it's already set equal to 0. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to negative 3. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do b squared minus 4ac. So this is 1 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 3. 1 squared is 1. I have now two negatives. A double negative creates a positive. 3 times 4 is 12 times 4 is 48 to give me a 49. That is the value of your discriminant. Okay? Which means 49 compared to 0 is greater than it. So I'm going to have two real solutions. And those solutions, if I take the square root of 49, it is a perfect square, so they're going to be two rational roots. And that is tonight's homework.